Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Let's learn the topic of birds. This is a parrot. This is a pigeon. This is a duck. An animal that lives in water. These are sparrows. Our national bird, Peacock. It dances in the rain. This is a cock. This is an alarm for the Indian society children. Just says cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning and everybody gets up. There and then we understand that now the sun is bright. So now the crow. This is a vulture. This is a cute bird named penguin. Again, let's learn one-word answers for the following questions. Which bird cannot fly? Yes, it's a penguin. What is the color of the parrot? That's green. Which bird lives in water? Yes, we've seen duck. Is our national bird? Already seen a bird dancing in the rain. Yes, it's peacock. Start learning to give answers to the following questions. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.